Welcome to the Botley tutorial. To begin, flip the switch on bottom to code. While in code mode, each arrow represents a step in Botley's code, and pressing the green button will transmit it to Botley so he can move. Today's challenge is to program Botley to pick up a cube from one location and bring it to another. First, you need to grab your puzzle pieces and create a map for Botley to drive on. To begin, place Botley on the start tile and get ready to program. Before you begin, press the trash icon to clear the old code that was already entered. In this case, we're going to need Botley to go forward once, turn right, go forward one time, turn around by going right twice or left twice, go forward back this way, turn right, advance forward, turn left, and advance forward one last time. When you're ready to transmit your code, press the green button. If your controls were entered correctly, Botley will execute the program and bring the cube to the finish. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask a member of our staff.